Thank you very much, John. The Terre Haute Parks Department removed the boat dock at Fairbanks Park from the Wabash River this morning. Crews spent the better part of the morning fishing out the dock's 4 sections. They used a backhoe and a chain to get the job done. By doing it themselves, the Parks Department saved the city about $5,000.
We just kind of wanted to see what it was going to take to get them out, but it's coming out so easily, we're just going to keep going until we can't go anymore.
You may remember ice floes on the Wabash River damaged parts of the dock. Some sections recovered will be placed in the lake at the Maple Avenue City Park. The rest will be for sale to the public. The city will also buy a new dock for Fairbanks Park. This new dock will be on one of the Parks departments so that they can remove it every time during the winter.